So we got this deck box. We have a lot of things that we want to start storing away. Right now it looks like a mess. Here are all the pieces inside the box. I have my son who's going to help me. All right, Adam, let's take them out.
All right. This one. Whoa.
Put it down.
That's a bigger one.
Or take this one. These are all the parts out of the box. Thanks, dude.
All right.
Here's how all the pieces come together. And some of the other items that come in here in the plastic bag. Starting from one, they're just all snap-ins, and then at the end you just secure them. These are the items you'll need to secure them at the very end. You have a couple of screws, a couple of angle fittings, and that's pretty much it, honestly. So I'm gonna put it together now, and we'll see what it looks like at the end. The basic parts are all in. They're just snap on. You just hit them with your hand and stuff, they'll just snap right in. And the last part is the door or the cover, and that has a rod that you have to screw in first, and then L bracket that you have to attach thereafter. You'll get this attached with these zip ties. Two ends you have to screw in like so, and these are the two screws you have to use for that. This is the L bracket with the screw that goes in here. Simply fasten it. So this is the final assembly, and look, go ahead and close it.
I want to close it.
Go ahead and close it. That's it. I'm sitting right on it. It's actually quite sturdy. A couple people can sit on it easily. Here it is. There was a lot of junk here, finally cleaned up. A lot of storage. Very spacious. Quite happy with it. It goes with our brown theme. And like I said, it's also can be used to sit on easily. Very sturdy. Highly recommend it.